So, good morning, ma'am. So, my name is Jayashree, and then my topic is Introduction to Programmable Logic Device. So, I explained about the types and then advantage, disadvantage, and then its difference. So, next one is in a small introduction. So, PLDs are electronic component. It can be programmed to perform various digital logic functions. So, it widely used in the field of digital electronic for designing and implementing circuits. And also it's highly versatile, used to implement a range of digital logic function also from simple to complex systems. It has several types. The two important main types is RAM and ROM. So other types are complex programmable logic device and then field programmable gate arrays and then anti-fuse based programmable logic device. So this is the picture I shared. So next one is this is the structure of the PLC here. So here it is input sensing device, here output load device. It has two separate modules for input and output to store the data and retry. And then for each they provide the power supply for input module, output module and then CPU through system also. So this is the structure of the PLCs. So next classification of memory, it's divided into primary and secondary. First, memory is it's to store data whatever we give. So it has two type primary, secondary. From primary it is of two type RAM and ROM. So ROM is of some other types also there PROM, EPROM, EEPROM. And then secondary device also it has the types like pen drive, DVD. It is our secondary device, memory device. So next first let's move on to RAM. RAM full form is random access memory. So it's temporarily stored data that is computer is currently using. So it is also called volatile memory. For example, in for code the code in compile, if we code in turbo C means if we not save the file means it will automatically delete when the system is turned off. So that is RAM. It is temporary storage. It is used to store the operating system's application, program and data that the computer is currently using. So it also do the two operations, read and write operation. It can read data directly from the CPU and also write into the hard disk or any other. So on the next types of RAM, two types, static and dynamic RAM. So SRAM full form is static random access memory. And then DRAM full form is dynamic random access memory. So static random access memory data is stored using the state of transistor, and then the dynamic RAM it's the help of capacitor only. So it used in the cache memory or processor directly. There they first move on to the of memory to modern desktop computers. So this is the type. So next one is advantages of RAM. It is of high speed, faster than secondary storage, and then gaming, and then consume less power compared to disk drive. So it's increasing battery life. And then disadvantages slower than CPU cache, volatile, and then not cost friendly space. So next one is ROM. It full form is read only memory. So it is non-volatile and then it is permanently store data even if the system is turned off. So it is to store the computer BIOS which contain the instruction for booting the computer. Because when the system is first powered on, first it move on to the BIOS to reboot the data. So only there it used. Because we read data and again we placed it. And then next is advantages of ROM, it cannot be accidentally changed and then cheaper than RAM, easy to test, more reliable than RAM and then content are always known can be verified. So disadvantage of ROM is it takes long time to manufacture a ROM. Price of ROM is quite high. So next say about difference between random access memory and read-only memory. RAM is volatile, ROM is non-volatile. RAM is temporary storage and the ROM is permanent storage. And the data in RAM can be modified, read or erased. Data in ROM can only be read. RAM is expensive compared to ROM. ROM is cheaper. So writing data is become faster in RAM, and then ROM writing data is become very slow. Because it's do the read operation only in fastest manner. Next, RAM access the by CPU directly. Here, data from needs to transfer to the RAM. Only give access CPU to its data. So hope and then you all understand the topic of PLDs. So thank you.